Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear viewers and students. So, after 2 days, I come back to a new class, and today I will discuss or show you um, thousands new sentences. Those are basically used in our daily activities or conversation. So, hope you can enjoy or it will be helpful for you, both of you. So, if you want to remember or you want practice, you can practice at your home and with your friends, and even you can note all these sentences. So in there is a total 1,000 word sentence, so I divide 100. So I will make 10 part. So today is my first part, and let's see all the sentences. So go down, it doesn't matter. So Blacking flowers is prohibited. We both like each other. What's the phone number? A Sarah book is on the table. May God bless you. This is not fair. I hate you. It's for the best. I talked to him. Actually, I talked with him. What is your contact number? What do you want to do? Are you there? Write with an improved hand. What would you like to have? Forget it. Who will cooperate with you? It was nice to talk with you. Can you please repeat that? As soon as possible. You are a glutton. When will you reach? Call me back. The terms were finalized. Improve your handwriting. What's your name? See you. The matter is clear. I appreciate it. What did you say? Become. How much is that? What can I do for you? I hope you will understand. Do you have some money? What's the time by your watch? I wish you have a married life. Do you need anything? I don't know, telling a lie. I invited him to tea. Many happy returns of the day. Don't worry. How are things going? What do we call this in English? This is not a joke. I'm so. I don't want to. Which date falls on Sunday? I'm very pleased to meet you. Watch out. Do you want to join me or join us? Okay, one has to pass the time anyhow. I will catch you soon. Don't move. Don't do this. We do not travel first class. Please be seated. Let it be. Allow me to introduce myself. You look rather nervous. What is your problem? Please help yourself. Don't doesn't matter. It's up to you. Put the books in order. I will call you later. Outline that. Come what may. I will not talk to him. The examination will start on Monday. Thank you for inviting us. How disgusting. Are you coming? India must stop being the forward. Could you stay away from my staff? Yes, by all means, I have no idea. Have you would the watch? I am feeling tired today. Sorry for the inconvenience. How dare you? Let's catch up. Why are you upset? Good day to you, sir. Follow me. You turn. He owes the shopkeeper 50 rupees. What a bother. Do me a favor. We will break but not bend. Get out of my sight. Have a good trip. Rest assured. This doesn't behave you. What do you want from me? Come with me. I have to leave early today. He had a narrow escape. What are your likes and dislikes? What are you talking about? So thank you, viewers. There's all 100 sentences. So hopefully you enjoy this tutorial, and I will come back next part, and I will try to give you the meaning with those. So thank you. Allah.